Hey guys, I'm Daniel, CEO of Futura Germany, and if you were wondering about the PestCam, I will help you today. Complete process, order, unboxing, application in the app, and all of that using the PestCam outdoors. So this is a quick unboxing video. Hope you enjoy. So this is our online shop for professionals. We do have an online shop for B2C, so for end clients, but this is our professional online shop. And as you see here below, our PestCam as one of our digital products is currently being rebated. It's not a wildlife camera, it was made for pests, and it comes fully equipped with a SIM card and a flat rate. It comes with 12 rechargeable batteries, and it comes with a 32 gigabyte quality SD card for HQ or high definition video and photo content. So if you want to order it, you need to choose right here. If you want to have 1 year service fee, then the price changes accordingly, or if you want to have 2 years service fee. You see right here the fees. You have, of course, 3 years is the most lucrative for you guys, which includes the complete flat rate for the SIM card of your PestCam, and it will be shipped right to your door. So that's the PestCam, and when you open it up, you're gonna find the PestCam in the protected sleeve. You're gonna have a protection right here in yellow. That's for the antenna with which PestCam connects to the internet. This is the first thing you want to do. Just screw the antenna onto the PestCam like this. That's it. It's ready now. There's the logo right here. You see that we have the infrared blacklight LEDs right here, and we have the sensor that senses movement of rodents or birds or any other pest animals, and the super high quality lens right here, the camera lens that shoots the best videos and pictures you will find on the market to surveil your pests. Open up that latch. It's of course water and dust protected. It's gonna come, you're gonna find 12 rechargeable high quality batteries. A regular PestCam will last up to 6 months in battery life, and you can of course recharge these. What else is in the pack? Before I get more into detail with the PestCam, you're gonna find another compartment right here, which will leave you with a USB and micro SD adapter, which you can plug into your computer, but you can also purchase a 240 volt adapter and plug it into power, so you can operate the PestCam without any batteries. Furthermore, you do receive a strap, which is super handy. You guys know that you can strap it onto pipes, you can strap that thing around trees, and it's really robust and durable, so this thing is not going to let you down. You can use it with these little holes right here. Just pull the strap right through, and that's it. It'll, as you see right here, it'll neatly fit onto any pipe or tree or anything. Furthermore, right here and right there, you have 2 adapters for a tripod. So any kind of tripod that you will find on Amazon, you can purchase for 5 to 30 euros, high quality things that will be applicable for the PestCam. So what are you going to find here? We do have the SD card right here, which is a SD card of SanDisk, which is of course the market leader, already equipped. You can just slide it in and out. Right here, and this is the absolute best part in my eyes of PestCam, is a SIM card with international roaming. It'll always going to choose. It's always going to choose the best network available for you, whether that's Swisscom, Telecom, Vodafone, O2, or whatnot, and it's going to connect to it right away. As you see right here, the TFT monitor is protected. You have this slider right here, and you can swipe to setup for the very first time. And you see the PestCam logo. And right here, you're gonna see my hand moving. It's really bright because we've got a lot of light in this room, but this helps you to position the camera and to see whether the objects you want to focus in the camera are actually in the focus lens angle of the camera. So after you clicked on menu, you're gonna see 4 different preset modes. 2 for indoor and 2 for outdoor, which we pre-configured for you, because all the cameras, wildlife cameras outdoors available in the internet that we've trialed for so many years, they had really complex settings, and we only have one setting which is for rodents and not for deer, elephant or whatnot. It's for rodents and pigeons, so we have pre-configured it for very quick animals and for a certain size of mouse or rat. bodies. So we have indoor close-up, indoor wide area. We have outdoor close-up and outdoor wide area. And if you click on indoor close-up, you can also switch it to off and choose another mode, like for instance outdoor close-up, which is what I want to choose today. So going back up on mode and switching right to settings, you will find 4 different things. Well, the first 2 are the only ones that are going to be interesting today, which is first the timer, which you can set on, which comes in super handy when you, for instance, want to say, I just want to receive pictures from, let's say, 7 o'clock in the evening to 6 in the morning when there is no people at the bakery where I'm positioning my PestCam. Yeah, and that's it. Just click on and go to menu, so you're back in the menu and the timer is set to on. Now to set up the PestCam, you just need to click on the QR code. So to download the eMitter app, what you need to do is go into the App Store and simply type in eMitter, and you're gonna find 2 apps, but always take the eMitter Pro app, which is this one. Logging in works like this. Just click on your app and you're gonna see a preview of our new eMitter Outdoor and the login button right here. You'll receive an email from noreply@emitter.info to your email address with your email as a login and your password. So we're going back into the app and click login. You're gonna find your customer list right here, and you can click on the camera icon right here, which will probably leave you at an empty list, but of course, as I already have a couple of PestCams in there, you're gonna see my list right here with all the data of all the PestCams that I already have. So back to PestCam. As I told you earlier, you need to go into settings and to the QR code to see the QR code. Then you need to switch to the app, because at the top right we have this little plus button. Click the plus button and the camera will open. Now I slide the camera over the QR code, and within milliseconds the eMitter ID of the PestCam is being recognized. So I just choose a name, for instance PestCam 5, and I choose a type, which is PestCam. I can also describe it, for instance next to fridge, if I want to describe the location where I'm actually adding the PestCam to, and I can take a picture, let's say, of the location, which is super handy, for instance, when you position the PestCam next to a shelf or let's say warehouse space X, Y, that, and you have a description so another technician or colleague of yours does find the camera. Furthermore, we have a location. If you click on the location, it will automatically get your phone's location when you're setting it up. So we're right here, so we have a rough indication of my Google location, and that's it. Successfully created the PestCam. It's right here. And the next thing you need to do, just switch your PestCam off for a second, count to 3, 1, 2, 3, and switch it on again. Close the case, close the latch, and as you see right here, the red light is blinking. And that's your sign that PestCam is already active. So this is the online dashboard. As you see right here, we have a couple of menus, but PestCam is the one that we're talking about today. It shows you an array of all the PestCams that you have, and of course the images that are being taken or recorded by the PestCam. You can easily switch through them by just clicking on the arrow, and you're going to find a couple of you see, if you move right to left, you're going to find small differences, so it helps you spot the rodent or any other thing that's moving along your PestCam. And that's basically it. You can do the same thing on your app. As you see right here, we already have a couple of new images for that PestCam, which is, I believe, the image we've just been looking at online. And you see, that's it. That's a partner of ours that's really setting up a huge bunch of rat traps for a big infestation here. What else is really funny, you can slide down right here to see the full menu of all the different pictures. You can delete it, of course, and you can share it with your friends and colleagues by just clicking on WhatsApp, email, iMessage, or you can even save the pictures on your phone so you can keep them. And another important thing about PestCam that I want to share today is when you zoom in, you don't only see the logo, but you're going to see the battery, the moon phase, you're going to see the degrees in Fahrenheit, 0 degrees, that's actually Germany right now. The date and time. The date and time is also right here, which comes in really handy when you're treating rodent infestation, because it's always interesting to learn when rodents are moving. What comes in really handy, the PestCam, as you know, sends in 5 pictures per day. But if you want to see the videos and the HQ photos where you can actually see more resolution, just take out the SD card, and you need to purchase an adapter like this one over here at Amazon. I don't know, it costs like 5 to 10 euros. You can connect it to your iPhone or to your Android phone, slide in the SD card, and you can watch all the videos on your iPhone in the pictures. So it automatically opens up your picture folder right here, and you can choose the videos and pictures and just import them by clicking this button. And as you see right here, the pictures have been imported. As this PestCam is really new, there are no videos on it, but if there would have been videos on it, you can as easily import them, which is super practical if you don't want to run around with your laptop and you're about to control many of your PestCams and want to see your videos on your phone, transport them, and later on, and when you're in a Wi-Fi, you can send all these large video files to your team. Furthermore, in the overview, you're going to see the amount of pictures, and when something's new, you're going to see a red indication in your PestCam. This one right here is going to send you the Keep Alive list. This is how we call it. It's basically a daily alive list of the camera that it shows that it's active. And as you'll find right here, every morning at 6 AM, it's going to send you an alive signal. This one here shows you the battery, which is still 100. That's security for you, so you know you don't have to drive there to exchange or recharge the batteries. And this one here is the signal, which varies, which is quite poor right here, but it is okay. That's your PestCam unboxing and first application video. Hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up and write some comments if you have any more questions about the product. Please feel free. By the way, this is how easy the setup is. I hope you think it's just as easy as that. Let me know your feedback. Have a great day. Bye bye.